Sushant Singh Rajput's former manager Shruti Modi and his former talent manager Jaya Saha was summoned by Mumbai NCB, which is investigating the case against Riya Chakravarti and others based on WhatsApp chats about procuring and purchasing drugs. Now, Shruti Modi, Sushant's former manager, reached at Mumbai's NCB office, the SIT office of NCB in Mumbai today morning itself. This is the place where she came to join the investigation, but within some time it was realized, NCB got to know that one team member of the SIT was tested positive. The moment NCB received the report, Shruti Modi was asked to leave, and now NCB is saying that they are following the protocol, which will include getting all the team members of the SIT tested, and all those who came in the close contact of them, they also have to be tested. People have to be quarantined accordingly. The place, of course, has to be sanitized. This is the office. This place has to be sanitized completely. And that's one of the reasons why Jaya Saha will also now be asked to come only once the testing and the sanitization process will be over. It was yesterday that both of them, Shruti Modi, Sushant's former manager, and Jaya Saha, Sushant's former talent manager, they were asked, they were summoned by NCB and they were asked to come and join the investigation. Now NCB has actually filed two cases as far as this current drug cartel and current Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned. First is against Riya Chakravarti, Shouvik Chakravarti and others based on a WhatsApp chat, based on some WhatsApp chats which were actually recovered by ED. Now in those WhatsApp chats, Riya, Shouvik and others can be seen talking about procurement of drugs, purchasing drugs, and based on that NCB took a case. And after that, another case was filed by NCB, and that was about the drug cartel which is there in Bollywood. According to NCB, several drug peddlers were arrested, and not just that, in fact, Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti were also arrested, and they faced the allegation of procuring drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput from these drug peddlers. So these two cases are being investigated by NCB, and Shruti Modi and Jaya Saha, they were summoned for the first case, which is about Riya Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti talking about procuring, purchasing drugs on WhatsApp chat. But now the investigation has come to a halt, a temporary halt, till the time all the people are tested negative, the sanitization process is over, or the investigation will continue at a new place. Till that time, no more people will be called, is what NCB has to say. As of now, this building will have to be sanitized. And talking about other team members, those team members, according to NCB, their reports, their samples have been taken. Their reports are awaited first. Of course, antigen test will be done, and only after someone will be found positive, then again the close contacts of those officers will also be quarantined and tested. As of now, Shruti Modi has left this office because one team member of SIT